Who's making noise? Today we are talking running backs and we are going to California. Placer High School's own Hans Grassman. This kid is 6'4", 230 pounds of all monster. Over 1,600 yards rushing, 24 touchdowns last season, and this kid is not gonna stop. 2020 prospect, this kid is serious. Grassman is a downfield runner that is very physical. He's literally a mutated version of Eddie George and Mike Allstott combined. Arm tackles do not matter. He will go right through you, right over you, and he has some pretty good speed, so he can take it the distance if needed. This kid is very impressive. Take a look at Hans Grassman. He's making noise, baby.